Join my masterclass now. Sign up for group coaching. Work with me one-on-one. Click the link in the description below and comment mindset if you are ready to rewire your brain for wealth. Click the link in the description below and comment build if you want my free checklist for setting up your business. Click the link in the description below and comment scale if you want my full marketing roadmap. Click the link in the description below and comment millionaire if you are serious about making 2025 your breakthrough year. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more millionaire mindset and business growth videos. How to become a millionaire in 2025 Step-by-Step Guide Day 3. Imagine yourself waking up in 2025 with a 7-figure bank account. No luck, no gimmicks, just a strategic step-by-step roadmap. And today, I am handing you that roadmap. But listen, this is not for excuse makers. This is for action takers only. Your CTA, like and subscribe, plus comment millionaire. Quick preview of steps. Step 1, develop a millionaire mindset. Step 2, find and validate a high-income idea. Step 3, build a scalable online business. Step 4, leverage marketing and sales at scale. And Step 5, systematize, invest, and automate. And before we dive in, make sure to hit like and subscribe because this is just day 3 of my full Millionaire in 2025 series. Step 1, develop a millionaire mindset. And a shift in mindset. How you can do it to identify your profitable idea. I help you with this in my coaching program. Set up a simple sales funnel. No tech skills needed. I walk you through it. Use organic marketing, social media, email, content, no expensive ads needed. Want to escape your 9-to-5? Join my masterclass today. Why it is important. Most people fail before they start because of limiting beliefs. Problems, fear of failure. What if I lose money? Lack of confidence, I am not smart and/or talented enough. Surrounding yourself with negativity, friends and family do not believe in you. Solutions flip the script. Every millionaire failed before they won. Treat failure as feedback. Use affirmations and visualization. Right. I will make $1 million in 2025 daily. Speak it, see it, feel it. Join a SuccessFAQs community. That is why I created my masterclass. So you do not have to do this alone. Examples: Oprah was fired at 23. Now she is a billionaire. Elon Musk's first rocket exploded. He kept going. One of my students, Sarah, started from scratch. Now she is making $50 a month. If your mom's saying, just get a stable job, honey, remind her the internet exists and people are making millions reviewing chicken sandwiches. Click the link in the description below and comment mindset below if you are ready to rewire your brain for wealth. STEP, to find and validate a high-income idea. How you can do it to package your knowledge into a simple product ebook, course, template, endless possibilities. Follow my proven launch formula. Use free marketing channels to sell. I teach this in my program. If Jake can do it, so can you. Sign up for my coaching and start today. Why? You cannot make millions without a profitable idea. Problems? Paralysis by analysis. Too many ideas stuck in research. Choosing the wrong market, no demand or too much competition, imposter syndrome. Who would pay me for this? Solutions: narrow it down fast. Use my PIE method, profitable, interesting, evergreen. Validate before launching. Pre-sell your product and/or service. No sales equals no launch. Use your unique edge. You do not need to be the best, just unique. Examples: my client, Jake, sold a Notion template for $47, made $10,000 in a month. Lisa turned her fitness journey into a coaching biz, now earning $30,000 a month. Did you know dog walking apps make millions? Simple ideas win. People get rich selling courses on how to braid dog hair. There is money in everything. Click the link in the description below and drop idea in the comments if you want my free business validation checklist. Step 3. Build a scalable How you can do it to stop competing, start positioning. I help you find what makes you unique. Use my high-ticket sales system, no sleazy tactics, just value. Automate your lead generation so clients come to you. Ready to create a $10,000 plus per month coaching business? Let's make it happen. Why? Your business should make money while you sleep. Problems tech overwhelm me, do not know where to start. Lack of sales skills, I am not a salesperson. Time management, I do not have time to build a business. Solutions: use easy platforms, systeme.io Kajabi. I teach these in my program. Automate sales funnels, email marketing instead of chasing clients. Work in sprints to focused hours a day is greater than aimless 10-hour days. Examples: I built my digital biz part-time, hit 6 figures before quitting my job. Mark made his first $100,000 using just one sales funnel. Ashley started with a digital planner, now makes $20,000 a month. Your CTA, click the link in the description below and type build if you want my free checklist for setting up your business. Step 4. Leverage marketing and sales at scale. How you can do it to start with a small digital product that solves a real problem. Use it to build trust and nurture leads. Convert happy buyers into high-ticket clients. Imagine making thousands from a simple digital product. Ready to start? Join my program today. What? If you cannot sell, you cannot scale. Problems: fear of selling, I do not want to sound pushy. Not enough reach, no audience, no traffic. Inconsistent income, big month gives dry month. Solutions: authentic selling, solve problems, do not push. Content strategy: YouTube, TikTok, email. I teach this in my program. Recurring revenue memberships, subscriptions, ups. Examples: Brandon used YouTube to make $200,000 selling digital planners. A simple $7 ebook can lead to a $3,000 coaching client. Amazon makes billions off subscriptions. You can too. Your CTA, click the link in the description below and comment scale if you want my full marketing roadmap. Final step: systematize, invest, and automate. Why? Millionaires build systems, not jobs. Problems and solutions burnout risk gives automate with VAs and software. Not investing gives put earnings into assets, stocks, real estate. Lack of exit plan gives plan for long-term wealth, not just income. Your CTA, click the link in the description below and type Millionaire in the comments if you are ready to take action. Now, if you are serious about making this happen, my live masterclass is your next step. I will walk you through building, launching, and scaling a business in 2025. Click the link in the description and let's make this your year.